Hi there guys, welcome to another YouTube video from Ross Perry Productions. In this video I'm going to show you the locations of the two oxygen sensors or Lambda sensors on a 2019 Kia Cerato. So the first thing we're going to do is obviously open up the bonnet. To do this, go over to the driver's side or the right hand side of the vehicle and pull this lever here. Come back to the front of the car, just above the Kia badge there is a lever, push that to the left and then open up your bonnet fully. And we're going to go ahead and put this bonnet stay in that hole there. Once your bonnet's safe and secure, we're just going to look over the back of the engine. Now make sure the engine isn't hot when you do this. So this is your exhaust manifold and then this is your Lambda sensor there with the electrical connection coming out. Now to replace it you do need a special tool because it's very hard to get a spanner around the bottom, so the special tool actually goes over and allows the electrical connection to still stick out. So you've got one here, this is one of the oxygen and Lambda sensors, and then just further down you can just about see the second one. So these are actually known as up and downstream oxygen sensors. So there we go, very quick video for you today. I hope you found that helpful. If you did, please go ahead and give me the thumbs up, leave me a comment down below, check out some of my other videos and subscribe to my channel.